All right, class. So number 9, they want us to write each equation in vertex form by finding the axis of symmetry. All right. And remember, vertex form is this right here. You'll have this on the board where y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where h and k is the vertex. So I just need to find the vertex of this equation right here, x squared plus 5x plus 4. So I'm going to pull up a graph like this. And if you already got a graph from a previous problem, what you do is hit this home button up here and start a new document like that and start a graph. And then you can start fresh. All right, so I'm going to do x squared plus 5x plus 4, right? And hit enter. And there's my graph. I need to find my vertex, though. Remember, to find a vertex, it's this bottom tip right here, which would be a minimum on this graph. If it's upside down, it's a maximum. This one's a minimum. So I'm going to do menu, analyze graph, minimum. And remember, you get these dots. You click on one side, or this middle button right here, and then go over and click on the other side, and it gives you your vertex right there. Negative 2.5, negative 2.25 is my vertex. So that vertex equals negative 2.5, negative 2.25, where that is h and k. So let's rewrite this vertex form in terms of h and k. Oh, and the a value, remember this is a, b, c, so the a value is 1, right? So it would be y equals, and the a value, well, I'll write it over here, a times x minus h squared plus k, right? So y equals 1 times x minus, and h is negative 2.5 squared, and then plus negative 2.25, right? And so that's going to be y equals 1 times x plus 2.5 squared minus 2.25, both those signs flipped. And so that would be my vertex form for number 9. And then the second part of number 9, I'm going to use this equation now. So like I said, the easiest way, just go to home and, start a new document and start a new graph like that. And it is 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. Oops, get rid of that negative. 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. Hit enter. And I need to figure out what my vertex is right here. So I'm going to do menu, analyze graph. That's a minimum. Minimum, and then lower and upper, and there I go right there, 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. So I get 1.25, negative 2.13. Like that. 1.5, negative 2.13. So I'm going to use the vertex form to figure this out now. That's y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. A is a, b, c. A is 2. A is 2. So y equals 2 times x minus 1.5. Oh, 1.25, my bad, 1.25. Just notice that, because remember, see on the calculator here, 1.25. Did that on purpose to see if you were checking. Squared, and then plus k, which is plus negative 2.13. So your final answer is 2 times x minus 1.25 squared minus 2.13, and that would be my final answer in vertex form. So that is number 9 on your review.